Hi, my name is Jordan Kennedy, and this is my introduction video for MIT 805. I am a 6th grade teacher currently at my hometown, Frankfort, Kansas, so that's in northeast Kansas. We're a very small school. Some of my strengths in instructional technology include the willingness to try new things. I would say would be one of my strengths. I love to try new things in the classroom, and another strength would be making sure that it fits within the structure of my classroom and that it fits with my students. A weakness might be the willingness for me to give up instructional time. I think I find something I like or a tool that my students really do well with, and then I stick with that, and I sometimes get in a rut and don't try something else in place of that certain tool. I'm slowly working to give up some more instructional time to implement something new, because the kids love it, and obviously there's so many things out there to try. Some of my interests are also just exploring new tools and seeing how I can help other teachers implement those tools in their classroom as well. A goal with instructional technology within my career right now, I would love to be an instructional coach within my current building, or a district somewhere where I can go in and help teachers utilize technology and help them fit it within their current classroom setup and use it with their students. Some tips that I have for staying structured and organized this summer include my planner. That would be my biggest one. I have lots of stuff going on with coaching and my own classroom and other classes that I'm taking, and so I am relying heavily on my planner to make sure I have everything mapped out that I need to. Beyond that, I'm going to try and be super proactive. I like to get things done early rather than procrastinating, so that would be my other tip. I'm excited to learn lots more in this class and to get to know everyone in the class as well. Good luck!